you break into a sweat with even the thought of having company? I'm here to help. After trying just a few of my hosting tips, you'll be more than ready to say, come on over. Okay, from Dan in California. Why do you have a publicist? I could be snarky here, but I'm just going to say that I got this publicist when I was publishing books and I needed somebody to help me get the word out about the books more. We really connected and we have stayed in touch over the years, and it was actually my publicist's idea to start this show. Good publicists can make a difference in your life.
You are absolutely right.
My publicist is super sarcastic and funny. So you might be wondering, well, what would that cost? Well, what's interesting is...
publicists don't make much money.
What's interesting...
I threw you off, sorry.
And a little over the top like I am, so it's a great combination of personalities. We have the most fun ever. And I'm gonna change, even though you love me just the way I am. I'm going to change and go to... This question is from Kelly in Michigan. Do your friends like to guest star on your show? I talk my friends into guest starring on my show, and then they realize they kind of enjoy it. So I'm trying more and more to get them to come out because I just think it's more fun to play off them and include them in real conversations on the show. So I'm working on that all the time, and I will try to have more in future episodes. This question is from Hannah in North Carolina. Where do you store all your accessories? And I'm guessing what she means by that is like the side dishes and the special things that I add to the table, the candlesticks. I have a vast collection of things like that, and I have different storage areas. Like I have storage in the kitchen, but then I have storage closets, I have china cabinets, I have boxes of things that slide under the bed. Let's just say that I have far too many of these things, and I'm always trying to find a way to reorganize so I can get to them and find them when I need them. I also need to kind of get rid of some of my side things I don't use as much, and I'm gonna work on that shortly. But I love these things, and I love pulling them out, and I love people saying to me, where did that come from? That's when I know I've got a great collection. Okay, this question comes from Mary right here in Nashville, Tennessee. What's so special about Keanu Reeves? I don't even know how to answer this question. What's not special about Keanu Reeves? Watch a Keanu Reeves movie. Speed, The Lake House, The Matrix. So many great Keanu Reeves movies. Just watch him being interviewed. Come on, people. Come on. No, you know what? He's breathtaking.
You're breathtaking.
You're breathtaking.
You're breathtaking.
No, you're breathtaking.
You're breathtaking.
No, you are. This question is from Sam in Connecticut. Exactly how many dishes do you own? A lot. I don't actually have a count of that. And this is something that Jimmy asked me before we got married and moved into this house. The short answer is I have 3 complete sets of dishes, everyday dishes. I have a set in red, yellow, and a blue and white transferware. And the reason I have that is sometimes I have large family gatherings and I will use a different set at one table than the other table. And I mean, it's the entire set. It's for like 12 or more. So I can have them all matching on one table. Not that you have to be matchy-matchy, you don't. But I also love having dishes. My Aunt Beverly said to me once when I was in my 20s, if I were single, I would have different dishes for every season. And I was like, I love that idea. And I started collecting and I switch them out, which drives Jimmy just a little bit crazy. He'll come home from work one day and there will be a whole new set of dishes in the regular dishes area. And he wants a little warning, but I don't give the warning. have sets of Christmas dishes. I have luncheon plates in glass. I just love to collect dishes. So the answer is I have a lot, and I love to use every one of them.